Hi, first grade friends. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at some flashcards. And all of these words are going to have the A-L-L ending, the all sound. But I'm going to change some of the letters in the front to make new words. And we're going to read them together. So what is this first one? Right, all. Let's look at another one. I took the letter C and put it in front of all, and we have a new word. What's the new word? Call. Good. I'm going to change C to a W. And what is our new word? Wall. Changing that W to a T. What's our new word? Tall. I'm going to change that T, I'm going to add an S in front of that T. And our new word is stall. I took that T out and put an M. What's our new word? Small. Good. Taking that S away, and we have mall. Now we have fall. Good. I'm going to take that F away, and I'm going to put a B, and we have ball. Excellent job. And our last one, we're going to have an H in front of the A-L-L, and now that is hall. Good. All right, for this next activity, you're going to need either a whiteboard or a piece of paper. We're going to do our words and sentences. All right, so you know how this works. I'm going to play it. You're going to hear the word, and you're going to hear it in a sentence. You're going to write down that word, and we're going to check our work. All right, here we go.
All. You are all on the team. All.
All. Did you write A-L-L? Good job.
Small. These shoes are too small. Small.
Small. S-M-A-L-L. All right, next one.
Wall. Hang the picture on the wall. Wall.
Wall. W-A-L-L.
Stall. The horse was in its stall in the barn. Stall.
Stall. S-T-A-L-L. Next one.
Ball. Throw me the tennis ball. Ball.
Ball. B-A-L-L. Last word.
Fall. The autumn leaves fall from the trees. Fall.
Okay, here we go. F-A-L-L. Nice. All right, I'm going to do the sentences now.
We all play ball.
We all play ball. One more time.
We all play ball.
We all play ball. How many words is that? We all play ball. 4 words. Capital W and a period at the end. Make sure you have that. Okay, let's look at the next one.
Call me in the fall.
Call me in the fall. Call me in the fall.
Call me in the fall.
If you need to pause the video to make sure to get the rest of it written down, you can do that. All right, let's look at our answer. Call me in the fall, capital C, and our period at the end. And if you look at these, look, we have 2 AL words in both sentences. We have all and ball, call and fall. And because they have the same ending, these words all what? They all rhyme. Excellent job, friends. All right, I'll see you next time.